Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by structuring a master workbook so data stays usable. First, create sheets named Sales, Expenses, Inventory, and import CSVs or paste raw exports. Once done, standardize headers and set dates to YIMMDD so formulas don't break. Make ranges into named ranges and enable version history. This gives you rollback and auditability. Also share with collaborators using edit or view permissions. Avoid broad access. These first steps let you build reliable models and avoid messy cleanups later. Next, consolidate and automate. Use array formula and query to roll up rows and XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP to pull product details into transactions. This reduces manual copying. Create calculated columns for gross profit, margin percent, and tax, and anchor references with dollar to prevent breakage. Then add data validation and conditional formatting to catch outliers. Finally, implement simple app script functions or a macro to auto-refresh imports and send weekly reports. This saves hours and keeps your reports current. To finish, create a dashboard using pivot tables and charts that highlight revenue, net operating income, and cash runway. Arrange metrics for quick decision-making. Once the view is stable, schedule automated PDF exports or emailed summaries and archive monthly snapshots with timestamps for compliance. If formulas misbehave, use Formula Audit to trace precedents, step through history, and check named ranges for typos. Make sure to reset array formulas after pasting and verify permission settings if collaborators report missing data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.